What's up YouTube? Welcome to my debut on YouTube and my first ever video I'm posting, and this channel is called Mr. Fundamentals. So just a little bit of background before we jump into trading Forex. The reason why this channel is called Mr. Fundamentals is I decided, number one, to keep my personal name private until I decide to reveal myself. That's just to avoid any clout on my name. I want my channel to be known purely for the charts and not for the person behind it. And secondly, I'm going to show you guys how I dress my charts up with some technicals and price action, and that makes up about 15% of trading Forex. And I just add fundamentals to my trading to make it way more profitable. So that is why this channel is called Mr. Fundamentals. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up for your Volatility 75 trading. So let's jump straight into it. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is this is the only broker that I know of that provides this product. And Volatility 75 is a synthetic index. For those of you who don't know what a synthetic index is, it's basically an algorithm that you trade. So you're trading off a computer algorithm, and there are no fundamentals backing it, right? So you just apply your technicals. So let's say Donald Trump tweeted, like, for instance, he's going to assassinate Biden. On a normal day, that would cause a stock market to drop, all right, or create volatility. With Volatility 75, that doesn't happen. So it's a good place to practice your technical analysis, and that is what a synthetic index is. So this is the only broker that offers that I know of. Please note that derive.com and binary.com is the same thing. What they did was they rebranded binary.com to Derive, but they still have all their clients on binary. So over time, once everybody switched over, they will delete the binary website and you'll only have derive.com. So it's one and the same thing, but you can use your logins for binary.com for derive.com as well. It's exactly the same thing. So what you're going to do is, step one, you're going to click sign up, and there we go. You're going to put in your email address and create a password, and that will give you entry or a profile on the binary.com or Derive website. And then once you're inside there, guys, I need you to open an account, and you need to open specifically a synthetic account. So once your synthetic account is open, the second step, which is quite easy, you're going to go to this website, metatrader5.com, right? And you are going to look for the following. Let me see. Alright, so you're going to download MetaTrader 5 for PC and open a demo account, right? So what you'll see is you get a program, an EXE program, which is a MetaTrader 5 setup. Now MetaTrader 5 is the service provider that gives us the ability to take these trades, right? So it's basically the software behind it. But all the brokers in the world are linked to MetaTrader 5. So the only platforms that we can trade on is MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. But all brokers are linked to them, and they come up with their own products, and they get their own products from the banks. So that is why you can only get MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. And for the synthetic indices, you need MT5, right? So wait, let me just download that again. I think it disappeared. Alright, there we go. Let's see. So it goes pretty quick. I'm going to click on the exe file. It's going to open up. It's going to ask my permission now. Alright, let's see what's that. Yeah, it asks my permission. And yeah, you're just going to click next, and it will set up your MetaTrader 5. So guys, don't get confused. You need to sign up with a broker, and then what you're going to do is you're going to link your account with your broker to MT5. So once you create a synthetic account with your broker, the login details and the password they'll provide, and you'll enter those details into MetaTrader 5. So that is the second step, which is vital to get your trading started. So I'm going to click on finish, and it should pop up. And there we go. That's the default settings for MT5. Your navigator down here is just all your accounts. So if you click on the plus button, you can create multiple accounts with your broker. So you can have a financial account as well for NASDAQ, but this video is only on synthetic indices, so you'll log into your synthetic account. And obviously, once you log into your synthetic account, all the synthetic indices will be on the left-hand side. But most importantly, I want to show you guys how to log into your account. So you're going to go File, Open an Account, right? Derive's already here. If you can't find Derive, please type in Derive, and it will take you direct to your broker. So Derive, find your broker. Obviously in this case it's already here. You're going to click on Derive Limited, next, right, and then connect with an existing account, and this is where you put the details in that you got from your broker on the website. And whether it's a demo or a real account, if you guys are going real, I'm obviously real already, you just click finish and you should be logged in and ready to trade. So this is the MT5 portal. That's where the trade log is, and then this is where you place an order. That's your lot size under volume, your stop loss, you take profit, and the type of execution you like, right? So buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, all those technical jargons. And your chart will display up here. This you can customize as well by right clicking, right? You see it changes to whatever you want. But that's it, that's MT5. The last step, which is personally my favorite step because it's approaching the end, is the charts. So this is the default chart that you get for trading synthetic indices, right? It's very hard to find this link even on the Derive website. So yeah, before I explain that to you guys, the first thing that you want to do on your default chart is you're going to take that 25 and you're going to click 75, and what I do is I right click, go to properties, and then I change the color of my candles, right? So my bull candles I make blue, my wick black. I always do this on all my charts. Red, right, okay. Then I right click on my scale, I make sure the countdown is ticked because I want to see what time the candles close, so which is very important in trading forex. And yeah, and then I need to store the items that I use. Luckily I already did that. So what happens is once you store these little items, it's basically what you use every day, right? So that you don't need to go open up everything and go click on the time frame. So if I click on 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily, and I store them, it creates my own little personalized box here. The same with this little toolbox I created here, because that is the tools I use, right? So I'm just going to, I don't know if I can delete this. I'm just going to hide it. If you store them, so I'm going to store them again. Horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal ray. You just need to store all the tools that you use. If you guys want to replicate my toolbox, please go ahead. Yeah, that's about it. So those 3 steps will get you set up for Volatility 75. First you need to sign up with a broker. You need to download MT5 and then link your broker and MT5, and then you need to get your charts up. Just to make everything easier for you guys, the links to all these websites I will leave in the description below. So the broker, the link to the charts, and MT5 platform where to download it, I will leave the links in the description below. So please guys, like this channel or like this video if you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel if you want to follow the journey and kill poverty forever. And yeah, leave a comment below on what you want me to do next, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video where we'll be covering how to trade Volatility 75. Anyway guys, it's your boy Mr. Fundamentals. Peace out.